This phone here is the latest offering from OPPO in India, the Reno 8T. The Reno 8T comes in two colors, the Sunrise Gold and Midnight Black. This phone here is the Sunrise Gold version. This color variant has a reflective coating on the back which can reflect different colors according to the direction of light. Let me just show you what I mean. The back side of the phone houses two large camera modules. The top one houses the 108 megapixel main camera and the bottom one has the 2 megapixel depth camera, 2 megapixel microscope and the flash. The 3D curved screen on the front looks premium and elevates the whole look of the phone a notch above. The bottom of the phone houses SIM card tray, microphone, USB-C port and the speaker. The top of the phone has a speaker grill and what I believe to be a noise cancelling microphone. All the edges of the phone are covered in chrome, giving it a much nicer look. This is the curved edges of the screen. I am not sure if you are able to see it clearly. The 32 megapixel front camera is centrally placed and it occupies a much smaller footprint. In my initial impressions, the phone also performs fast with its Snapdragon 695 processor. The thickness of the phone is only 7.7mm, which feels really thin on the hand. And the phone weighs around 171 grams, which again is on the compact side by current standards. So that's it with the look, feel and initial impressions of the OPPO Reno 8T. If you have any questions on this phone, you can ask in the comments. We will be answering them. Thank you for watching this video. Have a happy day.